where we have started the point of a mother womb. We must also end our love with the point of that mother womb. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? Where we are going? We are not having the full meaning of our life. Whoa, the full meaning. Feeling a sense that God is there in me, so I must love my life, and I will love my life. That is the valuable thing that which you have to declare to this world. One day your name with photograph along with your parents must be published in the अखबारों में. आपके चित्र, आपके पिक्चर पब्लिश होना चाहिए. ऐसा ड्रीम्स, ऐसा टारगेट्स आपको रखना चाहिए. What is the next letter in the word of positive? O. I'm not going to tell anything about it, but there is a superb meaning in it. In the entire 26 letters of the English alphabet A to Z, only the O ends where it starts. We also must, where we have started the point of a mother womb. We must also end our love with the point of that mother womb. That means we must be connected that much towards our parents. I have been seeing all the way. See, as a matter of counselor, I have been getting many cases. अगर रास्ते पे ये एक बकरा आकर, hey, I love you रे, hey, you are so beautiful, I love you. Oh, you love me? Oh, I do love you. Okay. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? Where we are going? We are not having the full meaning of our life. Oh, the full meaning. O means the completeness. O means the totality of life. What is it? We must know every meaning of everything. When someone is just saying, I love you. Huh? Tu itna sundar ho. You are a beauty. I love you, darling. On road, some bakra. Huh? Some battamiz. He's saying you have to understand that he has no meaning. He is not holding the complete meaning of his life. Truly, I am telling you, my dear, one day or the other we have to marry someone or the other. For that we must not live. For that we must not think of. For that we must not give everything for that sake. I think that the parents are the prime forms of God, where we have to fulfill their dreams and wishes. Am I wrong? Am I right? Yes, sir. Oh, I own you in seconds. You are not owning me even in minutes. Oh, owning. Oh, what is it? Completeness, in sense of one completeness, and in other meaning, owning. What is it? Owning. What is it? Owning. We are lack in this. We take books out. We just listen to the lessons. We just write exams. But we will not own. We think that this study is for Amma's sake. This subject is for Papa's sake. केमिस्ट्री सर जो है ना, इतना ऐसा इंसान है कि don't just read, don't just live, don't just eat, don't just sleep, don't just think, don't just act for others' sake. You are living your own life, own everything for your life. That is what owning is. At the age of 8, I realized this. At the age of 14, I was inspired by this. At the age of 18, I lost my vision and stand on the road and running towards my target with a board in my hand, saying that I own my life and I love my life. I have been seeing all the way. Some is kala hai, some black complexion. Oh, fair and lovely जो होता है ना, अरे रे, 3 layers, तब भी फेयर नहीं था. Of course, all of you people are, I think, measure you are fair. But somebody is short, where they love the tall. Somebody is lean, where they love the fat. Somebody is very fat, they love the slim. Nobody is loving themselves. Nobody is loving themselves. Owning means not just owning the studies. Owning means not just owning the work. Owning means owning our own life. How you are. See, I am with blindness. I am so beautiful. Somebody is saying blind. Hey, you're a blind person. Yes, I am a blind person. I am so much happy to be blind. Because of this blindness only, I have came to a platform where you can't reach me in the entire system of your life tenure. My blindness is a boon for me. Because I want my life. I want my life. Are you owning your life? Truly, please say yes. Yes. But your spelling of no must be replaced at this point of time. It is not N-O no. Yes, Dad, it is K-N-O-W no. I know through your words, the God, the Almighty, the Paramatma, Jo Ishvara hai. I'm an instrument. I'm not a person who thought I have to speak this to these students. I have to tell these stories to these students. I have to tell these points to the students. You believe it or not, till I stand, I close my eyes, I did not think of anything. I made only one prayer to the very God who resides in my own soul. God is not outside, God is inside. That's why we have to love our own life. Worshipping is God means doing puja, abhisheka, prayers in churches, in mosques, namaz. All these things are not prayers. They are the number 2 rank wala prayers. Number 1 ranking is if we can own our life with love, feeling a sense that God is there in me, so I must love my life, and I will love my life. That is the valuable thing that which I have to declare to this world. Please, my dear daughters, please own your life. What is the first P in positive? Present is to be enjoyed. Tell me. And present is to be enjoyed. And we must be in the moment. Present moment. Okay. What is the second letter? Arre, jor se. What is the first meaning of O? Completeness. Completeness. Just be reciprocative in thanks towards parents, towards teachers, towards everything. And what is the second meaning of O? Owning my own life. This mathematics belongs to me, not to any other teacher. He is just a teacher who teaches you and he goes. A book is a matter of thing which stays with you for some time. A pen is a thing which you hold for some time. A shirt, a kurta hai na, is a thing which I wear for some time. But I am not a thing. I must be with me. I must be with myself till to the end of my death. That's why I am not just a thing. I am not just a thing. I am not just a thing. I must love myself. I must own everything of my every day. Right? Next. What is the next letter? Yes. What is it? Yes. Sacrifice. What a classical term. What is it? Sacrifice. Are we doing? Yes. Are we doing? We have just sacrificed our physical presence. अगर पाटना में, बिहार में हमको रहना है तो माँ और पापा के साथ रहेंगे हम. Physically we have sacrificed our presence. Are we sacrificing everything here? Please tell. Are we sacrificing our laziness? Are we sacrificing our negligence? Are we sacrificing our recklessness? Are we sacrificing our procrastination, postponement? Are we sacrificing our chit chat? Are we sacrificing our mental illusions? Now you please say yes or no. Truly, please. Yes. What is the use, my dear darlings? What is the use? Right from this moment, all of my 1100 daughters from 10 states, we must change. Unless otherwise, there is no point of transformation within ourselves. There is no use and usage of a talk like this. You might have heard many inspirational, motivation speeches over YouTube. You have been motivated for moments, minutes, hours, days, because that is motivation which is given from the outside, pumping. No, I am not a motivator. I did not come here to motivate you all. I came here that, my darling, at the bottom of your heart, there is a point of I for, yes, I, positive, yes, I for, there's a point of inspiration in your own soul. My darling, catch that inspiration and prove yourself in your life. Thank you. Do you know designery clapping? Oh, now aata hai na? Designery sadi. Designery top. Designery, everything is there, no? Let us all design or clap. Thank you. Right, darlings. We have been discussing about 2 letters. One is yes, sacrifice, and another one is I for inspiration. These 2 things are interrelated. These 2 things are yes. हार होंगे ये जो भारद्वाज, I'm a person who is speaking to you, had sacrificed many things. We think that entertainment, sir, we are losing entertainment, sir. There are no games, sir. There is no TV, sir. There is no cinema, sir. See, I am not speaking on behalf of the management. I am on behalf of your success. I am speaking on behalf of your target. I am speaking on behalf of your parents. I am speaking on behalf of your own soul. I am speaking on behalf of the God who is staying within your own heart. Please notice it. These words, this speech is not for any votes. कुछ इलेक्शन नहीं चल रहा है, मुझे वोट देना, ऐसा कुछ इलेक्शन नहीं चल रहा है. मैं एमएलए और एमपी भी नहीं हूं. I don't want any ratings. I don't want anything to be published in newspapers. I want that every child, every daughter, every lover, every darling who is sitting here, one day your name with photograph along with your parents must be published in the अखबारों में. आपके चित्र, आपके पिक्चर पब्लिश होना चाहिए. ऐसा ड्रीम्स, ऐसा टारगेट्स आपको रखना चाहिए. आप सबको मालूम है, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना है. क्या? What that we are sacrificing for something, my dear? You are not even sacrificing the chit chat with your friends. You are not able to sacrifice even a little bit of chit chat with your friends. Can you achieve any greatest things? My dear friends, please do sacrifice. Please do sacrifice, which is very valuable. You people are thinking that watching mobile, hey, it is something most entertainment. Watching a TV, it is entertainment. Watching a movie, it is entertainment. Relaxing it is. My dear friends, entertainment. See, I made my total life an entertainment. I made my total life my entertainment. You believe it? I feel that my education, my career, my organization, my speech, it is entertainment. You must think of that. My study is entertainment. It is relaxing for me. Yes, everybody is saying, sir, very much pressure, sir. Very much stressed, sir. Very much depression, sir. Very much tensed, sir. Very much force, sir. What is this pressure, sir? No, nothing. I don't believe into any of these words. You know, I'm a person with disability where I can't even see any book hardly. My dear lovers, I cannot see any book, any text print, but how I have studied. A person like you, a friend like you, a rishtadar like you had read for me from class 9th, 10th, +1, +2, graduation 3 years, Bachelor of Education graduation for 1 year. After that, I have appeared for teacher recruitment test. After that, for promotion purpose, I have gone through 3 years of again another graduation in BA English Literature. After that, I have completed my Masters of English Literature, 2 years. After that, I have completed my Principal Accounts test of 2 papers. All these things are not read by me. Just I heard, just I listened to all the beautiful text which someone reads for me, someone read for me. I memorized everything in my brain. I produced it in the examination. One scriber used to write for me, and I have passed everything without a single failure in my life. Without a single failure. We will not fail when we are 100% ready to sacrifice everything. You must be ready to do that sacrifice. अगर आज कुछ कर दिखाओ ना तो भविष्य तुमसे खेलोगे. Please prove something right now. Otherwise the future will play a game with you. Sacrifice. And that, what is that? The next I? Inspiration. What are the 2 letters of the first inspiration? I? Have you ever thought of that thing? Inspiration is not a thing which is to be given from the outside. It is within. It is there in. It is there in you only. Within. W for with, I and win. If you notice that inspiration is within me, that is what W and win. Did you understand? Yes, very good. Inspiration. Okay? See, we must hold it. At the back, somebody is speaking. Am I boring? Shall I stop? If you want me to stop, I will go away, no problem. If you feel any discomfort with my language, if you feel any discomfort with my talk, no problem. I came in a car and go in a car. Nothing about anything. I am not bothered. Because my intention is that I just don't want to make you all engineers, doctors. I just want that every one of you must be a true human being. True human being. See.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.